Hello, this is another tech hour video. I'm Gamir, and this time I gotta show something very epic right now. First of all, there's some noises on the background. Ignore those. But look at this, like this epicness right here. And ignore the Galaxy S8. That's for a later, very later video that's going to be made, like a month later or something. Look at this epicness, man. What? RGB stuff, like look at RGB bar. Now the next thing is this keyboard. It has RGB on it. Oh, it's heavy because it has a metal frame, she said. Look, this feels good, bro. I imagine. Let me open this bag here, and it has a micro USB. Well, not the micro USB, the USB, the mini USB. Those are very old. Supposedly, this keyboard came out new. Can I remove one of these? Oh, there you go. It has, what is that? Was it cherry pick? It does not feel that different though so far. I gotta try longer times, but man, this keyboard looks real cool. Oh, okay. There are different switches. I see. That's interesting. Where's the metal frame? This is still plastic. Maybe the front frame, yeah, it feels cold. So the front frame is metal and the back is plastic. We got some guys here. What is that? A sticker? An ad? Probably an ad. Oh, congratulations joining the Hyper family. Get ready. I'm going to read that. I don't know. Has you covered. Oh, warranty stuff. And the long cable. Look, oh man, that's a long cable, and it required 2 USBs. Luckily, my computer has many USBs. You see those 2 here and those other 2 there, and the 3.0 Gen 2. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so here's the RGB strip. So supposedly it's just magnets. So yeah, this magnet is actually pretty strong. So I can put it like this. Oh wow. Yes, I know you complain about cable management, but that's for later. Right now I need to try this. Later I will do cable management on this. Because it turns on. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, let me turn off this. Whoa! Look at this! This is very bright, and it works. This is so epic. Well guys, now let me just connect the keyboards now. Whoa! Whoa, look at that! Ah! Man, this is so crazy! Whoa, what is this? Oh, it has the media control. I like those keyboards. So I have to do this. Oh man, can I make it brighter? Oh, that's the maximum brightness. Man, it looks so crazy. Oh, it's so epic. What? Look at this craziness. Whoa. Now let's get to the main event, which is installing the SSD. Yeah, looks like I don't need to move these screws. Yeah, it fits just right in. No problem. Man, this is harder than I expected. It's just plug and play. There's no cables. It should be easy. No. Ah! I have to stretch my legs more. There you go. It's that simple. Why did I take almost 3 minutes to just do that? Make sure that it is something for over. It's the front panel stuff. So don't worry. I like the fact that this is not together with this part here, which is kind of interesting. But yeah, that's very epic actually. Let me fix this recording. I did some little cable management. You see? Oh, I'm zooming in. Wow. Here's the cable management now. It's all clean now. Cables are going down there to the front. Finally a storage. Now I can make videos. And those filmmaker porn posters. But yeah, let's just connect everything and see what do we have here. So now is the time for the big upgrade here. This is going to be the processor upgrade, the only thing left to do. Also the CPU is kind of a little bit dirty, but that's okay, because I'm not going to clean it anyways, ha 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 ha, at least not yet. I'm going to remove these things here because they keep bothering me. I'm not going to use them, I don't need them. I mean, this is all just to put some drive there, but I'm not going to use it, so I'm going to just remove them then. You can also see the VNAND SSD, very epic SSD, man. Was getting bottlenecked by the CPU, so that's what I'm going to replace right now. Alright, I removed the heatsink and look how much thermal paste this is. I mean, this is a good amount, but man, it's so messy. Looks like it won't have thermal paste then. Now, remove the lid. And how do I remove the processor without getting my hands dirty? Whoa, I got my hands dirty then. Oh, thermal paste. Oh, I shouldn't touch the processor like that. So this one comes with a sticker as well. Ryzen 5 3600. Very cool stuff. So this actually goes there then. Oh. Alright. So it gives more space for the pins, so they do not touch. I'm going to pause here until I install the new processor, so the phone can cool down a bit, because 4K 60 recording heats up the phone so much, so I have to pause and then let it cool down a bit. Then how did I, oh, here it is. It is supposed to be installed this way. Yeah. All well installed. I shouldn't have touched it. Let's see. So I installed it that way. It does not cover the RAM slots. Wait a sec. Some of the holes are missing. Where did they go then? Look at the motherboard. Up here. This is the back. So everything just came loose. I don't know how this was mounted, if these were supposed to hold these screws in. Oh, because maybe, just maybe. Let me try something. Yeah, this is not very well constructed in my opinion. ASRock, what are you doing? Alright, I managed to do it. I have to push the back plate to the screw as hard as I can to be like to touch with each other. Now I did it, so it's all fit now. I also have to remove this, but I did that on the first time as well when I installed the Ryzen 3. I hope everything works. Let's see if the let me see if the CPU is well. Oh no, I cannot see because this perspective does not let me do it. Maybe we can see through here. I don't know. Whatever. And boot time. Fan spin. This is the light for the status. I guess this says CPU, DRAM. Oh, it's booting. Oh no, now it says CPU. Come on. Boot. Okay. Okay, so now it's going to boot, right? I mean, I'll just let it rest here. Maybe we'll eventually boot. Okay, it's booting. Alright. Let's enter the BIOS. And we should be able to see the Ryzen 3600. Let's see. So CPU, oh my, look at the amount of cores on this thing. We got 6 cores with 12 threads. This is totally epic. So you can see how well the performance is with the CPU now. Like, I think it does not get even over 80% anymore. Just look how smooth it is. I'm recording in 60 frames, so 4K 60, and you can see how smooth it runs. Like, no more drop frames, it just runs real smooth now. And the series usually a part where it just runs kind of bad. But look at this now. It's running smooth. No issues to be seen. And these drivers get on my way as always.